Hey everybody, Bill here. Blitz Molin Fab. It's a cabin air filter kind of day. This is a cabin air filter I bought for my Mustang. It's a used Mustang that I just bought. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the cabin air filter in this thing and see what it looks like. So I'll be right back. Let me get set up. Okay, here I am. I'm inside the Mustang. This is actually a 2023 Mustang. I just bought it used. It's got about 16,000 miles on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and check the cabin air filter and see if it needs to be changed. And if it needs to be changed, I'll do it. If it doesn't, I'll leave this one in and throw the new one on the shelf, and I'll have it there for when I want to change it out. So open your glove box. This one is very similar to the Jeep that I just did. This arm right here, all you do is pull this arm up, pull it forward, and this will pop out, and then you push in right here on that side and on this side to get your glove box to drop down. And then you open up all this junk back here and find your cabin air filter. Okay, so I took this piece right here, this flap that was hanging down, and just folded it up inside. So when you change these filters, you're not working this way anyway. You're actually working like underneath your glove box, and you're coming up through here. There is a Torx T20 screw right there that you have to take out to open up that door. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that screw out and just take that door off of there, and I'll be back. That's how you get the filter out. Okay, so I took the Torx screw out. This cover just sits up in here, so all you do is lean it down and pull it out. It comes right out. And then I don't know if you guys can see, but this is your filter right up in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that thing out and look at it and see how it looks, see what its condition is, and then make my decision on what I want to do, whether I want to just replace it or just throw that one back in for a while. So I'll be back. Okay, so I pulled that filter out, and also this filter has a little flap. There's a little flap right on the front of this filter that lets you grab it and just kind of pull it out and just down. So I pulled the filter out. It's really clean. I don't really see any reason to change it. I'm just gonna leave the new filter that I bought in the box and throw it up on the shelf. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this cover back on here, and I'll be back. Okay. All I did is I snapped this cover right back here in these two little snap places, lifted it up forward, and I put the Torx screw back in. You can see it right there. And so we're all back together. So then all you do after that is take this arm, make sure you don't lose access to it. So you want to pull it on the side of the glove box, and you want to push these little pins in on the sides over here and over on the other side to get that just to latch in. And then once it latches in, then all you do is take this arm and put it in and snap it down, and there you go, you're back in business. You can see the arm on the side here. So this is the arm, and like I said, it's really easy. All you do is just pull it up, and it's got a big hole and a little hole, just like a lot of the vehicles do that they're putting these extendable arms on now. And so you just lift it up and then take it out, and then your glove box comes right out. After that, it's just pushing in for these on both sides, and it falls right down. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that filter in for now, but that's how you change your cabin air filter in a 2015 to 2023 Mustang. So, just got all my crap cleaned up. So, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna go ahead and throw it back in the box, and I'm gonna throw this back on the shelf, and I'm gonna leave it until I need it. So, like I said, filter was really clean. It's, you know, the car's only a year old. It's got about 16,000, 17,000 miles on it. So, just doesn't need the cabin air filter change at this time. So, I'll hang on to this thing, and I'll have it when I need it, maybe in a year or so. I'll just throw it up on the shelf for later use. Thanks, everybody. I hope you have a great day. Hope everybody's life's going good. Bye.